What's up everybody, welcome back to another crypto related video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add money to your Trojan Solana bot. To do this, the process is really quite simple, quick and easy. Just follow these quick steps I'll show you guys in this video. So let's get started. Now this bot is available on Telegram and make sure to use and select the correct one and avoid the fake bots. Now for that I will just provide a link in description of this bot. You can go and check it out from there. Now here we'll hit the start button and you will see this kind of interface here. Now to use this bot we need to first deposit some Solana here as I have done here. To do this, the process is really simple. What we will do is simply go and we'll open up our Phantom wallet or whatever Solana wallet you have. I have my Phantom wallet right here, so I'll go and open it. Here I will copy the address provided by the bot, and once I copy it, I will go and select send on my wallet. After that, select Solana here, and once you have done that, paste in the address we copied earlier and type in the amount of SOL you want to send. Check in the details and confirm your transaction by clicking on send button. Now to check your current balance, we will go and click on this refresh button right here. Click on this option and your balance will be refreshed. Right now my balance is this that's displaying right here. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.